Hi everybody, quick episode on if you need CBD for sleep. And we've used this a lot for sleep, haven't we?
Every night I use it for sleep.
Yeah, and so do I.
Yeah.
So we're really familiar how well it works.
Yes.
I think the first thing you should know, if you have just a light sleep problem, a 17 milligram per dose is good. As you have up to a higher sleep issue, you can go to a 33 milligram dose or even a 50 milligram dose. Now, so today we're going to talk about the 33 milligram dose. We call this the Relax 1000.
Mm-hmm.
Now, for the Relax 1000, if you take the dropper out, you will find that it has measurements on it. And so we're going to do a full dropper to get 33 milligrams of CBD. We're going to put it under our tongue, and we're going to hold it there for 1 minute. And why do we do that?
That is because you have a bunch of blood vessels underneath your tongue, and those glands and vessels will take that CBD right into your body,
Right.
and you will feel your effects quicker.
And it happens very quick.
Yes.
So now what we also want to tell you to do is do this 20 minutes before you're ready to go to sleep. Now what that means is when you put this in your body, it turns on all the functions that are needed that your sleep cadence turns on anyway.
Mm-hmm.
So if you take this product in the middle of the day, nothing's really going to happen. It's not going to create a sedative feeling unless you're ready to take a nap in the middle of the day. So this product only works when you are ready to sleep. It will turn all those functions on, and you will absolutely be so impressed because you'll fall asleep easy, and then when you wake up, you're not going to have that groggy feeling.
Yes.
All right.
And CBD will stay in your body for 6 to 8 hours.
Yeah.
So
You have a good night's sleep.
yeah.
Okay, I was glad we could share that with you today. Bye.